Hello and welcome to VB Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. And in this tech help video we're going to learn how to install .NET 10. So if you go to dotnet.microsoft.com, you'll see the main homepage for .NET. It's got all the information about what you can build with .NET, stuff about the conference, the learning portal, all the different items you can integrate with. But we want to download it. So if you click on download, it'll take you to the main download page. As you can see, .NET 10 is the latest version as of recording. We're at .NET 10.0.100. If you come to this video late, there might be a newer version out. Just install the latest. And if you click on download, it'll start downloading that particular version. I've pre-downloaded it just to save a bit of time. It's not too large of a download size, but 205 megs is currently what that is. If we double click on it, it's just a standard installer. I've picked 64-bit. It'll do a admin prompt, pop that up, and as you can see, we're starting to install all the different parts of .NET. It'll run through the web components, OSP, the desktop runtime. Depending on your system, this may take longer or shorter amount of time. But if you just let that run in the background, it hopefully shouldn't take too long. And then we'll have version 10 on our machine. Now, the good thing about .NET is you can actually have multiple versions on your machine at once. I currently have .NET 9, and now we'll have .NET 10. So if we bring up the .NET console like we did in the last video and do .NET version, you'll see that we're now at version 10, whereas we were at version 9 previously. And that's how you upgrade to the latest version of .NET. See you in the next one.